Edo Governor Gov Obaseki don direct the government ministry wey concern say make dem begin remove sand and all the yamayama things wey dey for the bottom of Ikpoba River to tackle the wahala of flooding wey dey happen for some areas of Benin City. Dis decision na after im carry waka go do some check for Erahon Street, Ewa Road and the Edo State INEC office wey heavy rain don affect seriously. Governor Obaseki wey carry join body Commissioner for Environment and Sustainability Joshua Omokodio, Engineer Ethan Uzamere, Commissioner for Roads and Bridges, and Kingsley Wagbale, Commissioner for Public Safety and Security, go visit the areas to see how the rain and erosion take damage the areas. Oga Governor come visit the Nigerian Army School of Supply and Transport for Isiho and the water retention pond for Abuja quarters for Ugbo. The visit shows say the flood don affect everywhere and need dey for serious action. To solve the immediate wahala, Governor Obaseki come tell the Commissioner for Ministry of Environment and Sustainability say make dem sharply arrange everything wey dem need to start dredging Ikpoba River. Say im believe say if dem do this one well, e go reduce the suffer wey people for places like Eraho and Ewa Road dey face and stop similar wahala for future.
A lot of work has been done and a lot of success achieved. However, we still have a few areas where more work needs to be done. If you recall, about a decade ago, a study was done, a rainstorm master plan was done, based on which we have been gradually dealing with the issue of flooding and erosion control in Edo State and in Benin City in particular. That plan needs to be updated, and we're commencing the process of procuring the consultancy services to update that plan, along with the Benin City master plan. But to solve the immediate problem, which we are dealing with today in this catchment area, you'll see that the main artery, the main drain here, which is the Ikpoba River, has become clogged and definitely has to be dredged and desilted. If we don't do that, we will not be able to solve the problem here and the problem we are going to see when we go to the INEC offices in Ikpoba Slope. So I've instructed the Commissioner for the Ministry of Environment to commence immediate procurement for what is required so that the work on dredging Ikpoba River must commence immediately. We hope that once we do this, by the grace of God, next rainy season, the inhabitants of Erahon and Ewa Road will not experience this kind of disaster. That's what the government is going to do.
For im visit to INEC office for Ikpoba, Governor Obaseki come beg the citizens for cooperation to prevent the effects of flooding. Obaseki come call on the Edo people to stop to the block drainage system and to support government efforts to clear the drains. He come also here and say those people wey the erosion dey disturb wella, make dem not fail to use the emergency contact numbers 112 or 737 to report flood matter and ask for help. And say to fight flooding need everybody collective effort to tackle the rainy season challenges.
As has been predicted by the Meteorological Service, we can see that the rainfall, as predicted, has now started torrentially. Last night we had almost 4 hours of continuous rainfall in Benin City that caused quite widespread flooding. This is to appeal to all citizens of Edo State to help government to prevent the devastating effects from flooding by helping us not clog our drains and also supporting government in our massive efforts to desilt all our drains. And in cases where the floods have become overwhelming, please call our emergency numbers 737 or 112 for help. But flooding is everybody's problem, and I want all Edo citizens to please support your government to help us go through this difficult rainy season.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.